These are our goals for today. This is what the staff looks like. Which one is the G clef? It's also called the treble clef. It's on the G line. The other one is called the F clef. It's also called the bass clef. It's on the F line. This is called the grand staff. See the brackets? Can you name your notes on the keyboard? D is the doggy with the 2 black ears. And then the letters go up from there, or down. There's a series of whole steps and half steps. The whole step has a key in between. The half step does not. Can you identify this note? This is called the G clef or the treble clef. It circles the G line. You can count down from there. G, F, E. Our note is on E. This is called a ledger line. If this is the G clef, we can count up. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. This must be a C. This is called the F clef, or the bass clef, because these 2 dots are around the F. F, G, A. This line is the A line. We can go backwards. F, E, D, C. This is in the C space. There are 2 types of intervals. This is called a melodic interval. This one is played or sung, and then this one. It shows just the distance between 2 notes. There's also a harmonic interval. They're played or sung at the same time. Both of these notes are a third. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to include the bottom note. Let's count more intervals. This one goes from a line note to a line note. 1, 2, 3. That's a third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sixth. Here's what they look like harmonically. Notice that you can have a 1, a perfect unison. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This must be a sixth. Can you figure this one out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now let's talk about major scales. Remember, there are a series of whole notes and half notes, whole steps and half steps. The major scale has a whole step between the first and second note. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Just a reminder, this is a sharp, this is a flat, this is a natural. A sharp raises the pitch, a flat lowers the pitch, and a natural cancels out the sharp or flat before it. Key signatures are a series of sharps and flats. There is a pattern to each key signature. C has no sharps or flats. Clear key signature, C for clear. That's one you have to memorize. F has one flat, B flat. This one you just have to memorize. The other trick is you could use whatever the last flat is fa, and you could go down to figure out do. So B flat is fa, A is mi, G is re, F is do. If that's confusing, I have different tricks, and just remember that F major has one flat, B flat. What do these key signatures do? If there are sharps or flats in a key signature at the beginning of your song, that means that those notes are going to be sharp or flat throughout the entire song. For example, here we have a D major. We have an F sharp and a C sharp. That means all the Fs and all the Cs are going to be sharp. Can we find them? There's an F, there's an F. This song doesn't actually have any C sharps, but all the F sharps we found, and if we were playing it on a piano, we would have to not play an F natural, we would play an F sharp. It would look like this on the piano. Here's our F. We play the one up and 1/2 step above it to play an F sharp. Don't mix up your terms. A key is what we call it, like F major. The key signature are the flats or sharps in the staff. F major is your key signature is a B flat. Like I told you, there's always a pattern. The order of flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, F, or BEAD, greatest common factor. And the sharps are just opposite, F, C, G, D, A, E, B. There they are again. We're not worrying about minors yet, but you see F, and then we add F, C, G, then we have F, C, G, D, F, C, G, D, A, F, C, G, D, A, E, F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Those are all of the sharps possible. Here we have our flats. B, B, E, B, E, A, B, E, A, D, B, E, A, D, G, B, E, A, D, G, C, B, E, A, D, G, C, F, and that's all the flats we could possibly have. Our rule for flats is this. Second to last flat names the key. So, if this is our key signature, which one is the second to last flat? Well, there's only two. This one is our last flat, this is our second to last flat, this is a B flat. Therefore, we call it B flat major. Not B major, B flat major. Here, we can say which one is the second to last flat. Here's our last one. This is the second to last one. This is a G flat. So, it's G flat major. Second to last flat names the key. Now remember, I also said that the last flat is fa. If that made sense to you, then keep listening. B flat is fa, F is do. Do is our key. If E flat is fa, then B flat is going to be our do. If A flat is fa, then E flat is our do. Remember that our do is what we call our major key. If the fa thing messes you up, just remember second to last flat names the key. This is our rule for sharps. You take your last sharp and you go up a half step to the next letter name. That names your key. So, we take our last sharp, in this case we only have one, it's an F sharp. You go up a letter name from F. What comes after F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're in the key of G. If this is our last sharp, it's a G sharp. We go up a letter name from G. What comes after G in the musical alphabet? We know it's not H, it's A. Therefore, it's A major. Remember, C major has no sharps or flats, C for clear. These two sharps keys have sharps in the name of the key because there is an F sharp in the key signature. Remember, the point of the key signature sharps all the letter names that are on that note. So, if we have an F sharp in our key signature, that means all the F's are going to be sharp. So we can't have the key of F, we have to have the key of F sharp major. So, last sharp is an E. Go up the letter name from E, A, B, C, D, E, F. Well, there's already an F sharp in our key signature, so it can't be the key of F, it has to be the key of F sharp major. This is the last sharp is a B. C comes after B, but there's a C in our key signature. That means all the C's are going to be sharped. Therefore, we have to be in the key of C sharp major, not the key of C major. Plus, we already know the key of C major is no sharps or flats. Alright, let's practice. This has one flat, B flat. That's the one we just have to memorize, or we can say that it's Fa. So, if we just have it memorized, we know that it's F. If we want to think about it being Fa, the last flat is Fa, then we say Fa, Mi, Re, Do. F is Do, that's our key. Alright, let's look at the last sharp. It's an E sharp. We go up a letter name. E comes after E, F, but remember we have an F sharp in our key signature, so it's actually the key of F sharp major, not the key of F. You figure out this one. Alright, last sharp is an F sharp. Go up a letter name. What comes after F? G. This one's easy. It's one we have to memorize. It has nothing in it. It's a clear key signature, so it's the key of C. Last one. This is the last sharp. It's a B. Go up the letter name. It's a C, but check a look. Right here, it's a C sharp, so it has to be the key of C sharp major. I lied. This will be the last one. Second to last flat names the key. Last flat. Here's second to last. It's the key of C. No, it has to be the key of C flat. Alright, what comes after this? We need to be able to draw key signatures when we are given the key. We know how to label the key, but can we actually draw our key signatures? We also want to be able to label the interval and the quality. Is it perfect or major or minor? We're going to be working on ear training. Can we hear a major third and call it a major third? We're going to be talking about chord quality, major chords, minor chords. We're going to then move on to chord progressions and then our own compositions. MusicTheory.net is how we can do extra practice.